Camera roll sound. Cue in 3, 2, 1.
Chee-hoo! Hey, old man Paul, getting older. Happy birthday. Lots of love from all your friends everywhere in the world, of course. But, bro, it's been a pleasure knowing and working with you and seeing you grow and develop. Anisiof Alalum.
Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round on my mind.
Paul, happy birthday, my brother. Ia older, ia wiser, and ia bolder. Hope you enjoy your day, my brother, and hope to catch you over Christmas. Have a good one.
Hey Mbula Paul, it's Phil the K. Happy birthday, my brother. Wish you many more great days to come. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I look forward to working with you again, my brother. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Wishing you all the happiness in the world and many more birthdays to come.
Hey, happy birthday, Rewasa boy. How's it going, bruh? All the best. God bless in this new age. And hopefully catch up soon. Anisiof, take care. Olalum siom.
Happy birthday, Paul! We hope you have an amazing day from the Soros.
Woohoo! Malo lele, ofatu kako. Paula, Paul, much love. Happy birthday. Take it easy, pal. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Paul. God bless you. May God bless you. All everything will come to you again.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Lucas, happy birthday from in the pocket.
Happy birthday, Mr. Domenico. Yes, bro. Hope you have an awesome day today. May you continue to be blessed for everything that you do. Thank you for all that you do for us and for everyone. Hope you get spoiled today, and I can't wait to catch up soon with you and the rest of the family. God bless.
Happy birthday, Paul! Miss you! Can't wait to see you!
Big shout out to Paul Domenico. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul! But I'm hungry now.
Hey! Happy birthday, Paul! We are so grateful for the wonderful memories and all that we've been able to learn from your talented, kind-hearted self and your beautiful family. And wish you just the best year ahead, and that our paths cross again soon. And yeah, we're looking forward to that. Much love. Have a great day. Mwah. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Paul! Wish you all the best and can't wait to see you. Have a great day.
Hello, Paul. Tristan here. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I trust that everyone is showering you with presents and lots of love. I pray that the good Lord will bless you with many more birthdays to come. And yeah, Taki. Alalum.
Happy birthday, Paul. Alum.
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday, cuz. 1 year older today, one less hair. Much love from everyone in Rare Street. Have a good day, cuz.
Happy birthday, Paul. Love you. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Paul.
Hanisha from Glendaring.
Paul, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you're having a good day. And yes, all the love from us here in Fiji. Happy birthday again. Woo!
Happy birthday, Paul. Best wishes as you turn another year older today. Big lolamas from the gang at IUCN. Ole.
See? Happy birthday! Hi! Happy birthday! Finish. Paul, happy birthday! Happy birthday, man.
Hi Paul, from Aroha and I would like to wish you a happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Paul. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. Love you, brother. Bye. We'll see you in December. Bye.
Birthday, Paul.
Hi Paul. Happy birthday. Hope you have a beautiful day today. Hope you have a beautiful day today. Love from all of us and Dad who's in Fiji. God bless Paul. Thank you for everything. Love you.
God bless you, take care, stay safe. I hope to see you soon. And enjoy the music.
Follow. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro.
Love from the Tangies in Melbourne.
Hi Paul.
Hi Paul. Happy birthday. I've done this already, but it's okay. Whoa. God bless you. Have a beautiful day today.
Yeah, prayers and blessings on your special day.
Yeah, we miss you guys. Thank you. Bye.
Big birthday shout out to you, Paul, from the Pihate family all the way to Tahiri. Hope you're gonna get spoiled today, and hopefully we'll see all the Rako family all the way here in Tahiri with us. Thanks, Maru.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have an amazing day filled with many, many blessings that you absolutely deserve. Ofatu from me and Takamis.
Hey, Paul. Happy birthday, bro. May the Lord bless you on your special day and also bless you with many more birthdays to come. Cheers, bro.
Happy birthday, Paul. Wishing you all the love and the joy that the universe is spiraling out towards you.
Happy birthday, Paul. And I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done, not just for me, but for everyone that's asked you for help.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have an awesome day. Love to you from the Hanisi family. Phyaxia.
Happy birthday, Uncle Paul. I hope you have a great one. Thank you very much for everything you've done for me, for inspiring me to dance and to continue with music. Being one of the founding fathers for my whole entire dancing career and stuff. So thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Yeah, and hope you have a good one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Paul, my brother, very happy birthday to you. With all the blessings and well wishes. It's just a lot of appreciation and love for what you do and what you give for not just your family but everyone who comes into your life. And mean a lot. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Always thinking of you and your family in my prayers. And have a great day, Paul. Catch up soon.
Hey Paul, happy birthday. Biggest love.
Hey Paul, shout out from New York City, man. Happy birthday to you. Let's rock it again soon. Drop those beats.
Happy birthday, Paul. Have an amazing day. Thank you for everything. God bless. You are the greatest dancer of all time. Much love.
Happy birthday, Paul. Wishing you many happy returns for today. God bless. Love to the family. Again, happy birthday from us.
Happy birthday, Paul. Sending you good wishes from Australia and hope to see you soon, either here or in Fiji. Bye.
Paul, happy birthday. Hope you have a blessed day. And just before I go, I'll just leave you with some of your famous words. And I have a different answer though this time. Why did the chicken cross the road? Kinta mangamay. Happy birthday, Paul. God bless.
Happy birthday, Uncle Paul.
Happy birthday, Uncle Paul. We love you.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Hope you have a nice birthday. I love you. Love you, Daddy. I hope you have a nice birthday. Love you. Hope you have a nice birthday in Taiwan. I hope you go to Fiji with us.
They're recording now.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday, Paul Christian. We love you. God bless you, son.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Love you, love you.
Hey Paul, happy birthday, bro.